Today we will see class 12 Sociology revision notes part 2. 7. Social reform movements before independence. Changes in social practices that discriminated against women and lower caste. Issues taken up by the reformers were sati, child marriage and widow remarriage, caste discrimination, etc. The creative combinations of modern ideas and Western liberalism and a new look on traditional literature. The varied reform movements did not have common themes. For some, the concerns were confined to the problems of upper caste and middle class men and women. For others, the injustice suffered by the discriminated caste were the central issues. 8. Reasons for social reform movements in the 19th and 20th century. The concern for injustice suffered by the discriminated castes, problems faced by upper caste and middle class men and women, gender oppressions and social evils. Difference between old and new movements. Old social movements, new social movements. 1. The old social movements functioned within the frame of political parties, were not about changing the distribution to power in the society, but about quality of life issues such as having a clean environment. 2. The role of political parties have central, non-party political formations in order to put pressure on the state from outside. 3. Reorganization of power relations, quality of life issues such as having a clean environment. 4. Restricted to certain regions and nations, international in scope. 10. Ecological movement. Chipko movement is an example of ecological movement started in Himalayan foothills to stop exploitations and depletion of the forest and consequent environmental degradation. When government forest contractors came to cut down the trees, villages including large numbers of women stepped forward to hug the trees to prevent their being felled. The economy of the subsistence was pitted against the economy of profit. The movement forced on economy, ecology and political representation. 11. Class-based movement. 1. Peasant movement and other is the workers' movement. Peasant movements. A. Peasant movement have taken place from the pre-colonial days. Example, the Bengal revolt of 1859 to 62 against the indigo plantation system and the Deccan riots of 1857 against money lenders. The Bardoli Satyagraha in bracket 1928 Surat district, a non-tax campaign was part of the nationwide struggle. Between 1920 and 1940, the peasant organizations such as the Bihar Provisional Kisan Sabha 1929 and in 1936 the All India Kisan Sabha was founded. They demanded the freedom from economic exploitation for peasants, workers and all other exploited classes. At the time of independence, the peasant movements, namely the Tibaha movement 1946-7 and the Telangana movement 1946-51 emerged. B. New Farmers Movement. It began in the 1970s in Punjab and Tamil Nadu. regionally organized, non-party organization. The basic ideology of the movement was strongly anti-state and anti-urban. The focus of the demand was price and related issues. For example, price procurement, remunerative prices, prices for agriculture inputs, taxation, non-prepayment of loans. They use the novel methods of education is such as blocking of roads and railways, refusing politicians and bureaucrats entry to the village, environment and women's issues, etc. Workers' movement. See workers' movement. During the colonial regime, new materials were procured from the India and the goods manufactured in the United Kingdom were marketed in the colony. These factories were established in the part towns of Calcutta in bracket Kolkata, and Bombay in bracket Mumbai, in Madras in bracket Chennai. The labor was very cheap as the colonial government did not regulate either wages or working conditions. Later, trade unions emerged as workers started to protest. There were waves of strikes in the textile mills in Bombay, etc. In 1920, AITUC was formed in Bombay. The AITUC was a broad-based organization involving diverse ideologies. The main ideological groups were communist, moderates, and nationalist. The formation of AITUC made the colonial government more cautious while dealing with the labor. There were waves of strikes in the textile mills in Bombay, etc. 12. Caste-based movement. One is Dalit movement. Next one is backward class caste movements. A. Dalit movement. A struggle against economic exploitation, political oppressions, recognition as fellow human beings, for self-confidence, for self-determination, for abolishment of stagnation, a struggle to be touched. Stigmatization, a struggle to be touched. The word Dalit is commonly used in Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati, and many other Indian languages, meaning the poor and oppressed persons, broken ground down by those above them. Example: Sattanami movement of the Chamars in the Chhattisgarh, Plains in eastern MP, Mahar movement in Maharashtra, Adi Dharma movement in Punjab. B. Backward class and caste movement emerged as political entities both in the colonial and post-colonial context. The colonial state often distributed patronage on the basis of caste. People stayed within their caste for social and political identity in institutional life. The upper caste response. The rise in both the Dalits and the other backwards classes movement has led to feeling among the sections of the upper caste that they are being given short shrift and the government does not pay any heed to them because they are numerically not significant enough. 3. The tribal movements. Largely located in the so-called tribal belt in the middle India, such as the Shantalas, Hos, Orans, Mundars in Chota Nagpur, and the Santhal Praganas. A. Jharkhand. Jharkhand is one of the newly formed states in India, carved out of the South Bihar in the year 2000, had a charismatic leader in the Birsa Munda, an Adivasi who led a major uprising against the British. Literate Adivasis helped to create a unified ethnic consciousness and shared the identity as the Jharkhandis. It was the middle class Adivasis, intellectual leadership that formulated the demand for the separate state and lobbied for it in the India and abroad. Within South Bihar, Adivasis shared a common hatred of deluxe migrant traders and money lenders who had settled in the area and grabbed its wealth and improvising the original residents. Adivasis' experiences of marginalization and other senses of injustice were mobilized to create a shared Jorgandese identity and inspire collective actions. B. The issues against which the leaders of the movement in Jorgand agitated were acquisition of land for large irrigation projects and firing ranges. Acquisition of land for large irrigation projects and firing ranges. Survey and settlement operations which were held up the camps and closed down, etc. The collection of loans, rent and cooperative dues which were restricted. The nationalization of forest produce which they are boycotted. Thank you. Sharing is carry. Comment your thoughts. Subscribe for more knowledge.